Guess what I did? Spent your lunch money. Got a dum-dum for a dum-dum. TBM brake kit. We're gonna be doing an install on this tonight. I switched the car over to manual brakes, so we're gonna install a different master cylinder and then go from there. And then I have to make lines, which I've never done, so those are gonna be a catastrophe, I have a feeling, but let's get this on. What? What? Would you be impressed if I told you I didn't know what I was doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Is this OSHA approved, Mary? Safety first. Oh yeah. Pushing through holes like back in high school. Gotta get a bigger reamer for your home. Oh Jesus. Oh boy. We're gonna hurt some things. Oh boy, it's gonna get rough. Oh fuck. Got this all done. Help with Sugar Mom over there. Got the new pedals in. Have it roughly set in there. Got the pedals also set in there. I don't know if I mentioned the reason I was drilling is for the new Master, you got to drill a new hole in the brake pedal for a better ratio. And I picked up these auto pedals. They're a little bit lighter than the factory manual ones, so thought the swap was worth it to myself anyways. Got everything tightened up in here. Got the pedal kind of situated. Got a hole drilled up in there in the new pedal, and all these are tight. I'm gonna start working on the throttle pedal next. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit till it's cooled down, but as you can see, looks pretty decent. Another steamy day in the garage with Sugar Mama. She's gonna be holding a wrench. I am installing my little Motion Raceworks throttle cable. My hole in my firewall is a little too big, so I just grabbed some washers I have to make up the difference there. But it's pretty slick setup. Wrench is ready. All right. Gotta sneak down underneath the dash of this thing. This thing's tighter than a tick's ass. All right, cinched down. Have a Motion Raceworks column and a wheel in here too. I'm kind of all motioned out on this thing currently. No particular reason, but just because they just make really good parts. A lot of their stuff I really like, and it might be a little more expensive than the other guys, but it's always fits and it always works. And if you ever need anything, they just take care of it. It's pretty stellar customer service. Doing a little bit of weight reduction tonight. Don't mind my janky brake lines, those are all getting replaced. But pulling off all the parking brake stuff. I took out the cables, you can see them right there. I already got the other side done. Just kind of some of the garbage I'm pulling off. There's not much weight here, but I'm not going to be using that stuff anymore because I'm going to get the parachute release that goes in the old e-brake handle spot. So I figured I might as well get this weight off here and clean up the underneath of the car. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna get a bucket and show you how much I was able to pull off. I bet there's probably not too much there. I'm gonna guess 3-4 pounds, but you never know. As you can tell by all my sweat, it's hotter than 2005 Jessica Simpson in my garage right now. I think the forecast said 99 is a high today and high humidity. So not very fun, but nonetheless, I got all this stuff in the bucket. So we're gonna see what we kind of gained here. I'm gonna guess 7 pounds. We'll see how close we are. Got a mosquito in my eye. Got a precision measuring device, which includes a 5-gallon bucket and a bathroom scale. So I would say probably 11 pounds. That's not bad. I'm gonna guess that bucket's a pound or so. So not a bad little loss there. For as long as it took, 10 pounds, I'll take it all day. I'm gonna keep working on the brakes. That's my kind of goal for this week, just to keep making progress on them. There's some things I gotta kind of weld on the K-member maybe to make brackets to weld the brake lines to, or use some of them clips. I'm gonna have to see what to do there. I'm not real experienced. Dang mosquitoes. Man, they heard me Jessica Simpson and they came eating. But gonna keep working on stuff here and get that done. But I went to Rocky Mountain Race Week in Kearney. They're on their trip right now. It's pretty fun. It's a really good time. If you guys have never been, you really need to go watch it. I'm gonna insert some of those clips here. But other than that, we'll catch you next time, and you guys have a good one.